Today is Tuesday, March 31st, and I thought I was finished with the automatic transmission series. And I'm looking at these two units here, and guess why I'm looking at them? What are they? Well, I think you can recognize these as transmission valve bodies. One is out of the 722.3 and the other is out of a 722.4. I bet you can't tell the difference. They're very, very similar. But the reason I'm looking at these is I don't think I'm done yet with this automatic transmission series. I kind of left the valve body kind of hanging in the air, so to speak. And the more I learn about these, the more I think about this. You really can't ignore this, especially at the age of these transmissions. Now, there's something happened today that changed my mind. Maybe I will go through with a transmission valve body overhaul kit and video instructions. This here is what showed up in the mail today, which probably changed my mind. These have been kind of hard to source. Without these, I don't think you can really successfully overhaul a valve body, and overhaul is kind of tongue-in-cheek because what do you do other than clean it and replace the sealing rings in these accumulators? A lot of people think they're black or brown when they take these out, and you'll notice when you take these out that the ring is pretty flush with the housing. And then when you install a new ring, look, the ring is sticking out, and you slide it into one of the passages and you can actually feel the difference. So if I'm able to successfully source this group of sealing rings for these transmissions, then I think it makes it worthwhile to just take these apart thoroughly, clean them, change all these sealing rings. And I also have a couple of upgrade kits I'm working on. This is a spring upgrade kit. This is another kit that I already sell on my website, which can upgrade the valve body. So I'm not done. I just want to report in. We're going to roll this into April, and it may not be right away, but I'm going to continue to work on this, and hopefully I'll be able to come up with some resources and some help for those of you out there who want to rebuild, or should I say, reseal and clean your automatic transmission valve body.